So here we're subtracting a fraction from a mixed number, and this time we're going to subtract by first turning our mixed number into an improper fraction. So to turn a mixed number to an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so that's 11/5. But we need to subtract 7/15, and to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. Now 15 is in the 5 times table, so we can find a fraction equivalent to 11/5, which has a denominator of 15. That's 33/15, because we use multiplication to find equivalent fractions. 5 times 3 is 15, and 11 times 3 is 33. So now we can take 7/15 away, because we have a common denominator. So the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 33 minus 7 is 26. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 26/15. But we can turn that back into a mixed number by dividing. 26 divided by 15 is 1 remainder 11, and the denominator stays the same. And we can check that that works because 1 times 15 is 15, then if we add 11, we get 26. Now we have 2 3/8 minus 1/2. Again, we can turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19, so that's 19/8 as an improper fraction. And we're subtracting 1/2. But again, to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. Now 8 is in the 2 times table, so this time we need to find an equivalent fraction for the fraction that we're subtracting. We need to find a fraction equivalent to 1/2, which has a denominator of 8. So we can rewrite our question as 19/8 minus 4/8. That's equivalent because 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. So now the denominator stays the same in our answer. 19 minus 4 is 15. So if we can write our answer as an improper fraction, we have 15/8. But if we want to turn that back into a mixed number, 15 divided by 8 is 1 remainder 7. The denominator stays the same, so our answer is 1 7/8. So let's use fraction bars to see what we did here. For this first question, we started with 2 1/5. We needed to take 7/15 away. First of all, we changed 2 1/5 into an improper fraction, so into 11/5. But because we were taking 15ths away, we changed those 11/5 into 33/15, so that we could subtract 7/15. And if we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that leaves us with 26/15. But 26/15 is the same as 1 11/15, so that's our answer as a mixed number. Then we had 2 3/8, and we needed to subtract 1/2. We changed 2 3/8 into 19/8, so into an improper fraction, and we worked out that 1/2 is the same as 4/8. So if we take away 1, 2, 3, 4 of those eighths, that leaves us with 15/8, which is the same as 1 whole and 7/8.